If you can't change the language that a program is written in, but you can at least recompile it, then C programmers nowadays often support stack guards. A stack guard changes the way that the program is compiled so that when a new stack frame is created by pushing and calling a function, then besides the return address, the generated program also writes some special canary value here. And then, before returning, the canary is checked, and if the value that's expected to be there has been overwritten, that is a sign that some buffer overflow has taken place that might change the return address. This is actually the default on macOS. In other platforms, you can use fstack protector with GCC or Clang to add this, and the generated machine code looks something like this. Say hello, make space for its local variable here, but then it has these extra instructions that load the canary from here. This %fs:40 means it's a thread local variable. So it's some number that was picked for this thread randomly when it was started, and it'll be different every time it runs. That canary value is loaded and stored on the stack. And then before returning here, before the return, there is go get that value again and check whether it matches the value that's now on the stack. If that value has changed, then that means something has gone wrong and you should complain and fail. Otherwise, you can return normally. If we go back to our hello program, and this is the one where I have written the wrong buffer size, then when I compile it on macOS using GCC or that's really Clang, when I run the program and I say Alice, it works as it should. When I run it and say Alice and Bob, then you see we got an error from the program. This abort here is actually coming from the stack protector. Notice the canary changed due to the stack overflow, and so it aborted the program so that something worse didn't go wrong. Earlier, I actually compiled the program with the fno stack protector call, and that's how I got the weird behavior at the very beginning, where I typed Alice and Bob, and it was happy and still told us, hello Alice and Bob, and if I made it even longer, then we got a bus error because the return address was overwritten. So don't compile with fno stack protector, do compile with fstack protector.